Good morning. At least that's the time it is right now that I'm starting today's vlog. I should have thought about this before. I don't know where to set you guys up. But I am going to go to the gym right now, which I have not gone to the gym ever since Toby passed away. I haven't had like the motivation to go, and I'm tired of making it an excuse. So I got up this morning and just was like, I'm going to the gym today, and this is when I'm starting back up. And it sucks because I was really consistent with it for a few months, and then I just kind of stopped going, and I just missed the feeling of feeling good after the gym and feeling good, my body feeling good and all of that. So I'm gonna start back up today. I'm gonna make this kind of like a getting back on track vlog, because I want to come back and kind of make a workout routine for myself, organize a little bit more, and just get things together. Today is Monday, the day I'm filming this video, so I feel like Mondays are always a really good day to get a fresh start. My room is a mess. My hair is a mess. I need to get my hair done. I need to get it either toned or lightened or something, because it's starting to get brassy again. But I need to clean my room up. I have laundry. My bed isn't done yet. I have makeup and stuff over here. A cute little flower arrangement that I got at a bridal shower yesterday. And I have to return a bunch of stuff. So I need to get my life together. And that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. I don't even really know what I'm gonna be doing at the gym today. I might do some cardio maybe. Maybe I'm gonna do abs for sure. I want to do abs maybe every single time that I work out. I'm gonna try to work out like 4 to 5 times a week. We'll see how long I can keep that up, but that's kind of what I'm going for. So gonna do abs, and then I'm not sure if I want to do legs or if I want to wait until tomorrow. That's why I need to come back and make a workout schedule for myself, because I think that if I have a workout schedule, I'll be on it. I will be on it and I will go. Because before I didn't have a workout schedule, but I would just get up like nothing and I would just go to the gym and it was fine. But right now, at this moment in my life, I think I need a schedule, and I need to get back on a schedule, period. Because for the longest, I think ever since I moved back here, I haven't had a calendar where I write things down physically. I do it on my phone, and I feel like that's not as effective for me. Something in my mouth. But I need to get an agenda where I can actually write things down, everything. It just makes me feel a lot more organized. And then also, I don't really have a schedule to where, okay, I'm gonna wake up at this time, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. So right now what I have in mind is to get an agenda, get a calendar, and then to start waking up at like 7:30 during the week is what I'm gonna try to aim for. That way I can get my workouts in around like 8 a.m. But enough talking. I'm gonna head to the gym now. Let's go. I just got home and I'm about to clean this room right now. I have some laundry right here on the floor. Got some laundry to put away. I'm gonna go take these boxes and stuff that I need to return. I just need to get it together. I need to get it all the way together. Ew. And I'm doing this now before I shower because I'm gonna get all gross again anyway while I'm cleaning, so I might as well do it first real quick, and then I'll go ahead and jump in the shower. I ended up going to Marshall's and I found this planner right here. The only thing is that it doesn't start until July. So there are a few more, I think like a week or so until July, a few more days. So I'm gonna have to wait until then to start organizing my life basically. But it's okay, it's cute. I mean, it's really girly, which I normally don't go for with my planners. I get more just simple, straightforward stuff, but this one has little stickers if you want to put stickers, you know, on certain days and stuff. But what I really like is that it has little quotes for each tab, and you can also write in the beginning of the month. You can put your goals for the month, any to-dos, like major to-dos, any reminders, important dates, birthdays, and then you have a little calendar as well. So I just thought that was really nice. And by the way, it was only $9.99, which is not bad, because if you go to Target, you know that the ones at Target are like 20 bucks, and this is a hard cover one, and it has the stickers and all the extra stuff. So just saying, if you're looking for a new planner, go to Marshall's. It is the next day, obviously, and I'm on my way to an event, which I didn't plan on vlogging, but I realized it's an event that is very similar to what this video is, kind of me catching up, getting back on track and everything. From what I saw in the invite, it seemed like it's gonna be like a relaxing, unwinding kind of event. It is pretty early right now. It's 10:22. Not necessarily early, but early for an event. Usually events are at night, so that's how I know it's gonna be more of a chill event. Plus they told us to wear athleisure, very casual clothes, something that we're comfortable in, so that's why I'm wearing this right here. But I'm heading there right now. It's for Burt's Bees, by the way, and I haven't been to an event in a while, you guys. I have not been to an event in a while. I usually get scared, not scared, but I guess a little tiny bit of anxiety, I guess you would call it, when I go to events by myself. And I've talked about this before, just because I just feel like, I can tell that car was coming over here. I just feel a little bit weird going on my own. I'd rather go with somebody, but this is a daytime event, and I was like, why not? I'll just go by myself. And I'm trying to get better. I'm just trying to get better at going to things by myself and not being scared and all of that. So it's a day event, it's early, so I was like, might as well just go kind of get out of my shell, get out of my comfort zone a little bit. I always encourage you guys to do that, so it's like time for me to also step up and do it more often. I do it a lot, but it's time for me to, you know, do it more often, especially at events, because that's one of my kind of things. So I'm planning on taking some pictures there. You'll probably see them on Instagram. They're probably already up by the time you see this vlog, but that's where I'm headed right now. I also said I was gonna create a workout schedule for myself, and I didn't even show that, but I ended up finding a really good workout schedule on, I think, Pinterest. I found it. Mondays and Thursdays, you do a little bit of cardio, arms, back, and abs. And then it also says that for Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, you do a little bit of cardio, abs, legs, and glutes, which to me is perfect, because I always use Friday as being an excuse to not go to the gym. But because I really really working on my legs and my glutes, it's good that it's on Friday because that will make me want to go to the gym on Fridays. Now, right now, I'm telling myself I'm going to try to go 5 times a week, but realistically speaking, I think I'll do 3 to 4 times a week, if I'm being really honest. So I might not even stick to that exact schedule, but I think that schedule is really good. But I can always kind of alternate if I do decide to only go 3 or 4 times a week. Yeah, just a little car chat, just a little update on all of that. But I have kind of a long ride still to this event, so I'm gonna turn on some music right now. I broke up with her, it ain't we went from 2 a.m. calls to 0 communication. Yeah, I know you by your phone, so boy, pick up your line. What Juicy say? Like, shut the fuck up!
Play me some pimpin', man.
Hey, Simon says put your hands on your hips, Simon says put your hands on your knees, hey.
Fuck that pussy like a perk.
I freaking love this song. I play it every day.
Hey.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week.
Play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get your my last name.
This is so cute.
Us from some like random like promote marketing firm or whatever. Yeah.
All right, you guys. We are working with all things.
Yeah, you can even do 3. You can do like a smaller drink if you like. Okay. I just wouldn't mix herbs in there.
So in your opinion, great. Awesome. All right, love it. So let me, let's just
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
I was having more of those unique moments where I'm like, we're small.
So I'm here, it's a little bit bright, but I actually don't feel nervous or anxiety. I am trying to get used to still like vlogging and stuff in front of people, but it's really cute here. They have massages, they have facials, they have matcha. I have my little matcha right here. And then they have a little shopping area. Look, the background. And you can see they're doing massages right there, and then they have facials that way as well. But it's really nice and relaxing. I'm sitting in the corner over here by myself per usual, but I got some pictures in. I just asked somebody to take some pictures for me, and I'm about to post them right now. So they have a clothing rack, and they're letting us pick 2 items, a top and a bottom, and I'm probably gonna get, they have a cropped like white one, and then they have biker shorts, so you know I'm gonna get these, and then we get to pick a robe too over here, which is pretty cool. I'm stuck between the white and the baby pink. was such a relaxing experience, probably one of the most relaxing, peaceful events that I've been to yet. And it tied perfectly, like I said, with what I'm trying to do, what I've been trying to do these past few days, is just get things together, reset, rejuvenate, and all of that stuff. So that was just amazing. And I tried a few new things that I normally wouldn't do. I came to an event completely by myself. I asked people to take photos for me, random people that I didn't even know, which is also something that I just normally do not do. So it felt really good. And I always encourage you guys to try new things. Get out of your shell, do things alone. It feels really, really good. And this was a perfect example of that. I don't really have much else for today, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. But go out, be adventurous, do something different, even if it's something simple like today. Get out of your comfort zone, okay? And if you do something different or something out of your comfort zone, come back to this video and leave it in the comments. I would love to see you guys commenting little things that you try on your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, give the video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. I will post photos from today on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you guys in my next video.